Dear fashion designers, here is a quick and easy way to make a 180-degree peplum. So the radius to making a 180-degree peplum is R equals C over 3.14. This formula did not jump from heaven. I explained in some of my videos how I came about this formula. So the waist circumference you are working with in this video is 13 inches and the length of the peplum is 7. Your circumference can be the circumference of your waist, it can be the circumference of your nail, or the circumference of your sleeve. It depends on what you want to make. So we are going to represent C with 13. 13 divided by 3.14 is going to give 4.14. So that is what we are going to use as the radius to cut the peplum. So note that you are going to fold your fabric or your pattern paper into two, like so. Remember that in the previous video where we drafted 90-degree, we didn't fold into two. So after folding into two, you are now going to fold again like this to give that triangle shape. So from the tip, you are going to mark the radius, which is 4.14. That is going to help you get the circumference of your waist. All right, so from the tip, I'm going to mark 4.14 all around, like so. So once you're done marking the point, you're going to connect, and then you're going to measure the length of the peplum from this point. So the length of the peplum we are working with is 7 inches. So you're also going to mark 7 inches across, and after you are done marking, you're also going to connect like so, and finally you are done making the 180-degree peplum. So once you are done with that, the next thing I'm going to do now is to go ahead to cut out the peplum. So after cutting the peplum, I am going to open this up so that you see what we have. So this is the 180-degree peplum. You can see that it is wider than the 90-degree peplum and it looks fuller. This is what it looks like on the miniature. Can you see how lovely it is? Don't forget to save this for later use. However, if you're a fashion designer who wants to improve our sewing game or a sewing game, our beginners online class is starting next year, 2026. If you're a 9 to 5 worker who would like to start making our outfits ourselves, this class is for you. If you're a fashion designer who don't have the opportunity to go for a physical class, then this class is for you. I'll be teaching you how to make outfit perfectly, how to make gowns, trousers, skirts, boo-boo. In fact, after this class, you can start your ready to wear collection and start making